Everyone wants safety, style, and a solid build in their SUV. The Skoda Kushaq promises all three, and in 2025, it's ready to prove itself once again. But can it finally take on the Creta and Seltos? Or is it still a niche pick? Let's find out. The Kushaq was Skoda's big bet for India under their India 2.0 strategy, a project designed to blend European quality with Indian practicality. It brought German-level engineering and premium design at accessible prices, entering one of the toughest SUV segments in the country. Now, in 2025, can it still stand strong against the Korean giants that dominate the market? The Kushaq looks sharp, confident, and unmistakably European. Crystal-cut LED headlamps, a bold grille, and a muscular, sculpted body give it a timeless, premium appeal. It's not loud or overstyled. Instead, it looks elegant, well-built, and sophisticated. This is a car that feels as good to arrive in as it does to drive, offering understated luxury that appeals to mature buyers. Inside, the cabin feels solid, well-built, and refined. You get a 10-inch touchscreen, ventilated seats, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and top-notch materials throughout. Everything feels tight, durable, and premium. Typical Skoda attention to detail. Safety remains its biggest highlight. 6 airbags, escape, traction control, and a 5-star global NCAP rating make it one of the safest SUVs under 20 lakh rupees. Under the hood, there are two turbo petrol engines. A 1.0-liter TSI producing 115 brake horsepower, and a 1.5-liter TSI delivering 150 brake horsepower. The 1.5 also features cylinder deactivation for better fuel efficiency. Both engines are punchy, refined, and paired with smooth manual or DSG gearboxes. The steering feels precise, the suspension is well-tuned, and high-speed stability is exceptional, traits that make it a true driver's SUV. Prices range from around 11 lakh rupees to 19 lakh rupees. Yes, it's a bit pricier than its Korean rivals, but you're paying for European quality, strong safety, and confident handling. While Hyundai and Kia focus on screens and flashy features, the Kushaq focuses on feel, stability, and long-term reliability. A car built for those who care more about the drive than the drama. The Kushaq's highlights are clear: 5-star safety, tough build quality, refined turbo engines, and a classy European design. But its smaller service network and slightly higher maintenance costs may bother some buyers used to Hyundai or Kia's vast reach. Still, for those who value engineering, performance, and peace of mind, the Kushaq delivers where it matters most. So, what's your pick for 2025? The safe, European-built Skoda Kushaq or the tech-loaded Creta and Seltos? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, hit subscribe. Next up, we're comparing the Kushaq with its sibling, the Volkswagen Tiguan. Both share the same heart, but deliver very different personalities. Stay tuned. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary by location, variant, and GST update.